Hey, I'm Tristan Gatto and welcome. So today's video is for all day energy. A lot of times I'm sure you've been there where you just are lacking energy, you feel lethargic, it's not quite depression, but you just feel meh, just like you're trudging through mud every single day. Well, this flow will help you clear out some of that yuck, some of that BS that goes on, and just pressure that's been pressing down on you. So we're going to start first with the belly bonfire breath, just to clear out some stuck, stale crap that's been in our system. Reset the breath and then start to move the body a little bit more. So this breath will start to heat you. Take a wide power stance. So I want you to be really, really firmly rooted down into your feet. And you want to feel a sense of lift away from gravity. So like almost as if you're going to zip up a tight pair of pants and you don't want to get anything stuck. So bringing your hands, we want to just cup your right hand on top of your left and make a fist. And we want to just open that up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. I want you to zip up, kind of like you're pinching everything in this general region, and zip it all the way up. You can use your hands as a guide, and your ribs should wrap in and down. So we can do a zip and wrap, or you can do the pull up, whatever you prefer. So starting low, take a deep, wide breath in. Let everything drop and relax. As you exhale, even your belly, let it pooch out. Exhale, zip everything up and wrap it in. Harness and bring back all of your power, all the energy that you've put out. Deep breath in. Exhale, gather it up. Good. Deep breath in. Exhale. Deep breath. Warm and wide. Exhale. Squeeze everything. Deep breath. Exhale. Nice. Deep breath in. And exhale. Good. And hold here for a moment. Set your intention for this practice. If you're here to gain more energy, set an intention of more energy coursing through your veins, coursing through your body, every single cell. When you're ready, release this now. Bend your knees, deep breath in. Cross the arms, exhale, bend the elbows. Wide stance, turn the feet out. Good. Inhale up. Cross the arms, exhale. Bend hips back. Squeeze. So you still have to do that zip and wrap. Deep breath in. Exhale. Deep breath. Deep breath. Let's switch arms now. Good. Last one. Deep breath in. Bring the elbows down to your knees. So hips are way back and wide. Take your stance a little bit further. Beautiful. So we just want to begin to shake the hips out side to side. I want you to bring your right elbow over to your right knee. Try not to drop down, but we're going to do a little press down towards the ground. And then as you exhale, peel your left elbow off your knee. Press your right elbow away to give you space, and then reach up to the sky. Hips still back and wide, so nothing changes in the hips. Good, you've got this. Breathe in, crouch, exhale. Let's do a few of these to warm up the legs. Exhale, to open up that body. You've been stuck and stagnant. Maybe you've been at the office all day. Let's clear out some of that crap. Exhale. Deep breath in, exhale. Beautiful. Breathe in. Exhale out. Last one. Breathe in. Exhale. And here we go. And let it go. Breathe in. As you exhale, lift your arms all the way up towards the sky. Take a deep breath in. I want you to look over to your right. Turn your right foot forward. Back toes. So left foot turns in a little bit. Bend the front knee and press the palms straight down. Warrior two. So it's not much movement except at the feet and opening up the hips. Pelvis is at an angle. Good. Stay here. Breathe. Roll the palms back to bring the shoulders back and down. And then just flip the palms. Bam. Stay here. Breathe. Determined, focus. Maybe you've been working on some things, some goals. They're right there in front of your fingertips. Keep going. You're almost there. Beautiful. Breathe forward, reach forward, inhale, grab your goals. As you exhale, plant them in that root chakra, back hand reaching towards the thigh, and let's take out anything you don't need. Pull it out, release it, breathe in, and wave it goodbye. See ya. You can flip the bird if you want, whatever works best for you. That's one I like to use. So lift up out of your torso. So don't camp down and crunch. Stay here, breathe, you got this. Maybe roll your shoulder around, loosen everything up. It's your practice. Get free, get loose. And then inhale, breathe up. As you exhale, just come all the way forward. That knee's already bent. We're just gonna land that right elbow onto your right knee. Sweep your left hand overhead. And let's pick up the back foot and spin that back heel out just to give us a little more space. And check out where your knee is. It should be right over your ankle. Good. Shoulders relaxed here. You've got space. You're not compressing the joint down. Good. Stay here. Breathe. Let it go. Beautiful. Breathe. And let it go. Come back to center. Inhale. Let's flow this through now. Exhale, right arm. Breathe into center. Exhale, left arm. Good. Come to center. Breathe in. Exhale, press. Pivoting the front foot, warrior two. Breathe in, come forward. Exhale, grab out what you don't need. Throw it out. Breathe in. Exhale, relax into this. Coming all the way down, elbow to knee. Left arm reaches over, breathe in. And exhale, come back to center. Good. Come all the way up now, breathe in, and let's take this over to the opposite side. Left toes pick up. Right toes spin in. Good. Aim the hands down and just set up. You want to be even between both legs, so feel free to pivot the foot out. No right or wrong here, just general suggestions to keep your space open. Mine's going to look different than yours. Good, stay here and just breathe. Static posture. Again, check your arms and your shoulders, flip the palms down, or up, sorry, and then flip the palms over, boom. Breathe in, let it go. Breathe in, let it go. Good, let's reach forward, grab those goals. Exhale, grab what you don't need, throw it out. Deep breath in. And wave it goodbye. See ya. Squad goals. Good, breathe, breathe, breathe. You've got this. Create space and lift away from the ground. Space and freedom, space and freedom. Good, reach all the way up, inhale. And then bring that elbow all the way down. Good. Bend your back knee, sweep that right arm overhead, breathe in. And stay here. Feel that side body stretch. You can pick those back toes up, spinning that back heel outward. Good. Breathe in. Try not to lay into that shoulder. Remember, energy. Breathe in. Let it go. Breathe in. Let it go. Last one. Breathe in, come back to center, and bring the elbows down to the knees. Good. Let's flow through this now. Inhale, right arm. Inhale, exhale, left arm. Come to center. We're going to the left now. Inhale. Warrior two on the left. Exhale. Reach forward, grab the goals, inhale. Pull them back into self, exhale. Taking out what you don't need, inhale, release. And then exhale, bring your elbow down to your knee. Setting up. Bend the back knee, spin the heel out, inhale. And then let's come back to center, exhale. So let's link this all together, shall we? And we'll get a nice flow going. We're gonna start with the right side first, and then we're gonna go to the left side. Our common denominator is this pose. I know your legs are burning, so are mine. Stay with me. So here we go, ready? Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, Going to the right. Inhale. Exhale. Warrior on the right. Inhale, reach forward. Grab the goals. Exhale, come back. Reach up high. Breathe in. Release. And side angle pose. Exhale. Back heel spins out. Bend the knee. Breathe in. Inhale. Exhale, come back to center. Breathe in. Reset. Exhale, right arm. Inhale, center. Exhale, left arm. We're going to the left now. Inhale. Exhale, left. Good. Breathe forward. Inhale. Grab those goals. Take them out. Exhale. Breathe it in. Exhale, dissolve all the way forward. Foot moves. Inhale, bend. Exhale, come back to center. Pivot the feet. Always spinning on the heels, not at the toes. Good. Let's take that again. Last one. Breathe in. Exhale. Always twisting on exhales. Breathe in. It protects the spine. Exhale, left. Warrior to the right. Breathe in. Press it out. Move the feet around. Breathe it forward. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Side angle pose. Exhale. Pick the foot up. Breathe in. Bend the back knee. Good. Come back to center. Exhale. Pivot the feet. Neutral. Good. Breathe in. Exhale, right arm. Inhale. Exhale, left arm. Warrior two to the left. Inhale. Press it out. Shift the feet. Good. Inhale, come forward. Exhale. Pull everything you don't need out. Release it. Breathe in. Freedom. Exhale. Bring the elbow down. Pick up the back foot. Bend the knee. Inhale. Stretch it all out. Exhale, come back to center. Good. Let's stand all the way up. Breathe in. And exhale out. Woo-hoo-hoo. Shake it out. Loosen the hips up. Lubricate, hydrate. Let's toe heel our way in. Beautiful. Shaking the hips out. Let's get a nice side body stretch. So you're going to cross your right foot over your left. Let's cool this down a little bit. Good. Zip and lift up. Left hand to your hip. Right hand reaches up. Breathe in high. Exhale, take it over to the left. Beautiful. You're doing great. Stay here. Really root your feet down. Zip and lift up and away. Good. Stay here. You can lasso the arm to work on your shoulder joint mobility and your scapular mobility, so your shoulder blade. Keep on breathing in and out. I know you're nice and warm. Good. Now let's sweep out of this, bend and step out. Shake it out, loosen it up. And let's switch it to the opposite side. Left crosses over right. Really root down here. Right hand's onto the thigh. Left hand sweeps up and through. Inhale. Exhale, take it over. Really root those feet down. If you've got balance issues, hang on to a wall if you need, maybe behind you or a chair. Good, stay here, breathe. Again, you can lasso. Just keep that nice side body stretch. Good, breathe in and out. Working into that shoulder, breathe in and breathe out. Drop it down, step it out. Beautiful. Now let's take a nice wide stance into the feet. Let's move into the hamstrings. We hold a lot of tension into our hips. So I want you to sit back again, same posture as before. Inhale to the knees, and I want you to exhale, bow forward. So from here, we want to look back behind us. So you're going to see my back, and you want to take your hands down to the floor. If you can't do this, feel free to grab a couple of blocks and have them right here. So that way you're up a little bit higher. For those of us who have a little more length in the hamstrings right now, feel free to bring the hands down to the floor. You'll get there. No worries if you're on blocks. No worries, no judgments. Bend your knees a lot. As you exhale, I want you to think of flipping your tail up towards the sky. There's a lot of people I'd love to do this too. Breathe in and then exhale. Be like, that's what I think about that. Inhale, breathe in. We've all been there. Yoga doesn't have to be serious. Exhale. Inhale, breathe in, bend the knees, exhale. Just enough to feel the stretch. The legs don't have to straighten out all the way, but you want to think of that tailbone going way high. Good, breathe in. Exhale up. Good, breathe in. Exhale it up. One more, deep breath in. Exhale. Now, if you're already down, if you got some space, slide your blocks over or your hands over. We're going to walk over to the right. And I want you to reach out in front of you. So not to the actual right leg. I want you to go past the right leg. So you feel a long body stretch to your side. If you need more support, take your right hand away and put it to the center of the mat. Let your head drop. You can bend that back elbow. And I like to nuzzle my shoulder, and I'll show you on the opposite side. It'll be a little bit easier, next to my knee. Good. I'm getting a nice stretch into my right hamstring. Even if you're not that flexible right now, feel free to use the blocks and you can be right here reaching out. All good. No worries, no judgments. And let's just begin to take a deep breath in, come back to center, bend your knees a lot. Exhale, come all the way up to standing, take a little break. Hamstrings need a break, back needs a break, equilibrium, head rush, coming back, good. Breathe in again. Let's slide it on down. Beyonce style. Inhale, take a deep breath in, and then as you exhale, bend forward. And then just begin to straighten those legs out as much as you can. No worries, no judgments. Find your blocks, move them over. Come out this way. If your back tightens up or spasms, feel free to come down to the mat and go into child's pose. That'll help to relieve that spasm. The hamstrings, when they're tight, can sometimes really target the low back and cause some strange and weird things to happen with the musculature because it's all one line of fascia. So, everything gets yanked and pulled on. We want to rebalance this out. Just take a few more breaths here. More yin style of a stretch. Hamstrings like a little bit longer of a stretch. They're built for stability and stabilizing the back body. Good, good, good. And let's come back to center. Breathe in. Bend your knees. Exhale. Come all the way up. Breathe in again. Hands nice and high. Palms to unite. Exhale. Hands to heart. Now, for that last bit of energy, this is one that I like for clearing. It's kind of like my spiritual vomit. So this is a great way to do it. Let me get myself back together. Come back to center. And I'm all for adult temper tantrums here and there. You're going to take your hands up. If you really need to get rid of something right now, let it come out. I want you to just throw it out and go, ugh, ugh. Breathe in again. Exhale. Ugh. Throw it out. Ugh. I know this sounds gross. But it feels really good. Let it go. Exhale, let it go. Last one. Now inhale, reach up high. And just feel that space and freedom. And just let it trickle down. Yeah. Feel that little buzz, that tingle through the body. Letting yourself settle. Bring your hands to heart space. Knowing that the badass in me honors and recognizes the badass in you. Have an energetic day. If you love this video, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I put new videos up every week on Wednesday for Workout Wednesdays, flows, HIIT. Fridays are Fix Yourself Fridays, where you'll get all my tips and tricks from yoga and my physical therapy background for fixing little naggy, weird spots in the body. And below, you'll find links to some of my awesome courses that are helping thousands of people. Once again, thanks so much for joining me today. Namaste and Beyonce.